Have you heard of the process called wicking or having a wicking bed? Well, you can do that same technology with just a regular seed tray when you're starting your seedlings. What you do is you pour the water into the bottom of the tray once your plants have been established, about this size, really maybe an inch tall, because by that time they have roots that are at least halfway down into the seed tray. What the wicking does is the water that's sitting in the bottom of the tray will soak up or wick into the rest of the seed cell through these holes down here. Of course, they are used to either drain or, in this case, suck up the water through the rest of the dirt. It's not only is easier than having to reach all the way back there and watering your plants, but it also encourages root growth for these little seedlings to go down. Watering plants with this process that are already established is very low risk. There's only a couple things you need to take into consideration. One is not putting too much water so that they don't drown in the trays. Two is if your shelves are at a slight incline like these are, the seeds in the back are going to get less water than the ones in the front. This is a process that I use for almost all of my seed trays once the plants have become established. And it works great, and it's a really easy way to water a lot of trays when you have a lot going on. I highly suggest giving it a shot and seeing what you think. As always, thanks for stopping by.